Hello everyone, I'm Arrigo. Today we are going to make two homemade dishes. The first one is egg soup, and then we are going to make also the second one is stir-fried eggplant. We have a bowl of water for the egg soup, and then we have uh, garlic, chilies, and onions. The garlic is for egg soup, and then the chilies and onions is for the second dish for the stir-fried eggplant. And then we have uh, a bowl of egg. I already cracked it up earlier, and then we have also chicken bouillons, and then we have oil. I already add some oil to the pan. The first step is we are going to turn on the stove, and then we are going to wait a little bit to heat up the stove. And then we are going to add the egg to the stove. We're going to fry the egg. Now once we already fried up the egg, we could just cut it into pieces. You could cut it into any pieces you like. Like here I'm going to cut it into 8 pieces. Then we could just put the egg to the side of the stove. Yeah, right. We could just put the egg to the side of the pan. And then we could add some more oil to fry the garlic.
Wait until it gets this one.
Fry the garlic until it a little bit golden brown, and it smells nice.
Okay. After that, after going to add more.
After that, we are going to mix the egg and the fried garlic.
And after that,
And then we are going to add a bowl of water into our mix.
kemudian this is chicken bouillon.
And then we add our chicken bouillon for the taste.
Just put it and then we give it a little bit of
Like
stir.
2 spoon table, and then we give it a stir
And wait until it boils.
and wait until it boils.
After it,
You could also add some salt if you like it to be saltier. So now the egg is already boiled, we could just serve it into the bowl. And you could also add some scallion to make it more beautiful. We could just turn off the stove so that we could pour the water, the broth. Pour the egg water into the bowl. Alright. Wow, it's hot, really hot. Here we have our first dish, egg soup. Right. Now we are going to make our second dish, the stir-fried eggplant. Here we have some chopped eggplants, and we have the chilies and also red onions from earlier. They already chopped up. And then we have also oil, we have a pan, and then chicken bouillon, and then we have soy sauce, um, oyster sauce, and then we have a little bit of water. So first we are going to turn on the stove, and then add some oil. Just a little bit because the stove is warm from earlier, and then we are going to add the red onion first. Stir the red onion a little bit. Now we are going to add our chilies. Mix it with the red onion. Now we could add our eggplants to the stove. We could stir it a little bit. Now we are going to add some soy sauce. And then we could add our oyster sauce. Just a little bit. And then we could add our chicken bouillon. We could also add some salt or sugar to to make the right flavor for yourself. Then we stir a little bit, and then we add our water. Now we stir a little bit, and then we wait for the water to boil. Now that we already wait for like 3 until 5 minutes, we could serve our eggplant to the plate. We could turn off the stove. And this is it, the second dish, stir-fried eggplant with soy sauce. Here I have my sister as our special guest today.
Hello everyone.
She's going to taste the dish that we made earlier. I'm going to take some of the egg soup for her. Take a taste it. Give it a
Thank you.
taste.
So this is the very simple dish and the taste is really good.
And now I'm going to take some of the second dish, the stir-fried um, eggplant with soy sauce. Give it a taste.
The taste is really good and the soy sauce giving the taste of sweet and spicy and it is really balanced. It's really good. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everyone.
Thank you for having me.